Hey guys, it's a Deadly Kitten here. If you are new here, welcome. We do a lot of unboxings. Today is going to be no different whatsoever. It is now officially 2022, so you can kind of tell when I am filming this. I do have quite a bit of backlog, so expect a few videos of just Pokemon coming up. So without further I've already lost what I was going to say. So actually today we are going to get into this mythical squishy premium collection. So let me just put you guys on a brief pause and let me get this unboxed. Okay, and just upon opening this, as you guys can see, I got the Victini, the Celebi, and the Mew. And then they each come with their own little tiny squishies. So there is the Celebi, here is the Victini, and finally the Mew. So cute. And then also you get 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 8 packs in here. So let me go ahead and give you this before I do forget. So there is that. It looks like we got I'm seeing 2 Evolving Skies. So we got 2 Evolving Skies in this, a Chilling Rain, a Battle Styles. I'm seeing another Battle Styles, 2 Vivid Voltage, and 1 Rebel Clash. And mine, I think these were a Target exclusive. I'm not too sure. So I managed to find this online. I need to grab scissors because I cannot open these with nails. Hold on, I have scissors. One thing that nails can't do. Apparently open packs. Apparently scissors can't either. My gosh. I never thought I would have this kind of trouble with cards. Never in a million years. Thankfully though, I think I only have like 1 more week of these nails. So here is the thing right here. 2, 3, 4. And let's go and see if we can get any good cards in here. Okay, a Galarian Surfetch. It's a baby Hoyle. Let's go ahead and get into the Vivid Voltage. I'm going to see if I can open these regularly. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to, if I have to cut every single one open. Get this one open for me. Okay. So with Vivid Voltage, we are still looking for the massive Chunkachu. Oh, and there's a really bad card in here. Look at that. Oh, you guys can see that. That's how it came. Wasn't my nails, I promise. Okay, and an Orbeetle V. Let me put this in a sleeve. Yeah, the thing with my nails is that I wanted to get nails because I've never had nails before. And so we went and got nails. And I've never gotten my nails done, ever. So going to the nail salon was actually kind of funny because they were like, how long do you want them? I was like, nail size. Because I had no idea. So that is why they are massively long, probably longer than what they should be. but that's okay. I just wanted to finally get my nails done for once because I've never had them done. And a Jolteon. Okay, so what was next? Battle Styles? We'll go with Battle Styles. It's crazy to me, too, to even think that, like, I think, what is it, Brilliant Stars or whatever? I think that comes out this month or next month. I'm not too sure. I do not remember. So, with Battle Styles, I think I'm not missing a lot. What I need to do is I have this app on my phone and I need to go through it. And I need to go through my actual binders and just like click what I actually have and what I don't have, because in my binders I do them by packs. So, or not by packs, by series. So like I have a water binder where it's all water, but every single page goes by a different, like one page is for Vivid Voltage, one page is for Battle Styles, one page is for Chilling Reign, and stuff like that. But it's all water in one binder. Minus like the hollows and stuff like that, because the hollows I have a binder just for hollows, promotions, and stuff like that. So, and then I have this app, I forget what it's called, I think it's like Poke Collector. Ooh, I might have this actually. But, they actually keep track for you, and then they tell you too what prices are for each, well, for most cards, they tell you prices on them, which is really, really nice. And that way too, like, it will tell you, like, hey, you have, I think for celebrations, I have 80% complete, maybe 82. I'm not missing too much on celebrations. And I've had this Mythical Squishy collection, mind you. I've had this for a very long time. It's been sitting at the bottom of my pile of things, of cards to do. And I keep just doing the stuff that's on top, so it just keeps getting buried. So I think I bought this, maybe October? Maybe even September. I have no idea, to be completely honest with you. Oh, I had to see what the cats were doing, because the cats got a new cat tree for Christmas. And so Kyo is currently trying to get rid of the, there was a rope on it. So now we are going to get into Evolving Skies. These are the last 2 packs in here. If I can get this open, nope, there it goes. Maybe next video I'll just cut them all open beforehand. Now, Evolving Skies, I don't have very much for Evolving Skies. I'm still missing a ton of cards. So, and I feel like same with Chilling Reign as well, the ones that we just opened. I'm still missing a ton of cards. So, Entei. Ooh, I don't think I have this one. That's really, really nice. I'm going to need to get more card sleeves here shortly. I do not think that I have that one. And then this is the last pack. So this isn't too bad. We got, what, 3 pulls out of 8 packs so far. That's not too bad. I'm going to have to hurts my soul whenever I have to cut into it. Just a little. Because I'm always scared that I'm going to cut the cards. So can we end this video on some last pack magic? We shall see. And I don't think I've opened too much of Evolving Skies. There's still one Elite Trainer box I'm missing out of Evolving Skies. So I think I'm missing the one with Flareon on it. Yeah, I am. And, okay, a Trevenant. So yeah, out of 8 packs, 8 of them were hits. Technically 5 of them were hits, but one of them was a baby foil, so I'm not technically counting that. But yeah, that was everything that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.